Hello there my crafty little buggers, welcome to another photo manipulation video. This is gonna be a short one, so stay tuned until the end to see a cute little teddy bear from the thumbnail come to life. My good friend Cameron from the D&D Coalition came up with this concept after seeing my marionette illustration from last year's Halloween adventure that I've created with Scott from Vengers Decks and Filip from Ghelfi Studios. They don't even need a special introduction anymore since I've talked about them so many times. I've collaborated with Cameron in the past. If you go to my Instagram profile and scroll just a bit, you'll be able to see Wolgrath, a big bad evil lich that I illustrated for him back in 2020. I don't know if he ended that campaign or is it still going on. I forgot to ask. Anyway, I digress. When I look at that illustration now, I see so many little quirks that I'd slap myself for today. But I was still in the process of experimentation back then. Heck, I'm still learning. I hope I never stop learning, just keep improving. If you're a D&D player and you feel like using this little guy for your campaign or a one-shot, make sure to check Cameron's Instagram profile for the stats. As always, I'll leave the relevant links in the description box below the video. And if you want to know a little more about the D&D Coalition, the link to the website will be there as well. But for those of you who would want to know a bit more right now, it's basically a community of creatives from all around the globe in the world of Dungeons & Dragons brought together to give D&D players the best of what they do. Cameron himself is a great dungeon master, and I can only imagine how his players feel moving their minis about the terrains that he builds just to make the game more immersive. Anyways, I highly recommend checking it all out. I named this little guy the Care Bear out of fun. Some of you might remember Care Bear as the cartoon, but it seems that Cameron liked it, so he named it the Abyssal Care Bear. What would be the opposite of Care Bear? Neglect Bear? Disregard Bear? Give me some ideas in the comments below. And before I let you enjoy the video, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel if you appreciate the content that I'm producing here. See you in the next video soon. Until next time, this is Crafty, and I bid you farewell.